of Carcar. Artistic Director, Patty Vitita of Cabcad Entertainment Productions. Choreographers, Ray Wasawas, Edgar Alinsugay, Linbert Ludovilia. Dance Masters, Hera, Jamel, Chanu, Micah, Kim, and Marianne. Mayor, Honorable Patricio P. Barcinas. Vice Mayor, Honorable Efren Quijano. Head of Delegation, Mayor Patricio P. Barcenas and Honorable Harlod Nakwa. Instrumentalist, Society Band and Carcar Argao Vocals and Instrumentalists. Musical Director, Russell Ching Aligado and Brian Maghanoy.
Festival Queen number 16, Carcar City. Daghang salamat, Festival Queen number 16, Mary Josephine Posque.